What's your name?
My name is Alvin.
Okay. Can you show me how you feel today? Please show me how do you feel today?
Happy.
Happy. Well done. Can you please help me find the hill? Hill. Please help me find the tree.
Tree.
Please help me find the flower.
Flower.
Please help me find the hill. Hill. Ah, sorry, lake. Sorry, lake.
Leg.
Excuse me. Okay. What are these?
Bee.
Bees. How many bees do you see?
Six.
6. What are these? Crayons. How many crayons do you see?
Nine.
Okay. What are these? Doors. How many doors do you see? 4. Okay. Is a stone soft or hard? Hard. Okay. Can you identify the shape? What shape is it? Square? And can we start again? Can please start again? This